ओके, आपने अभी मेंशन किया है नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का। तो उसी के रिलेटेड मेरा आपसे अगला सवाल यही है कि इस्लामिक स्टडीज की कौन सी प्लेस बनती है एनईपी 2020? Is it directly mentioned there in the NAP, like the other subjects, or is it indirectly mentioned there in the NAP? Or what
No,
is the what identified in the
directly,
subject can be placed there?
directly there is no subject that has been mentioned over there. There are all the principles have been laid down. And when I was reading that policy document, I came to know that there are certain, areas where Islamic studies, like for example, NEP 2020 is focusing too much on Indian knowledge system. So, an Indian knowledge system, is shaped by the religions of India, the religious traditions of India. And Islam is one of the religions that have been there in India for centuries together now. So here the national education policy has now realized, the policymakers have now realized that a student has not only to be materially sound, I mean, learning some skills of software and hardware. He has equally to be very competent in his life. First of all, he should be very emotionally, he should be very intelligent, he should be creative, he should be a man who could make a decision. And he should be a man who could never succumb to the miseries of life. Because now that there is a lot of surge in suicides, and no material science is likely to. I mean, say that no machine is going to prevent that person from this. So until and unless you develop critical thinking, you have emotional intelligence. Until and unless you have the power of decision making. So where does this decision making come from? It will come from the man of wisdom, the sages, the seers, and the philosophers and the men of learning who have been there in the religion making tremendous contribution to humanity. तो मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पे इस्लाम स्टडीज की बहुत ही पक्की जगह बनती है, क्योंकि जो करिकुलम ऑफ इस्लाम स्टडीज का देखेंगे इसमें आप हर तरह के जो डोमेन्स है वहाँ पे इस्लाम स्टडीज का सिलेबस और करिकुलम पहला है. So you will come to know that it has a very sound basis in NEP 20.